Hey everyone, this is Matt, and today we're talking about remote starters. A remote starter is a device that will start your vehicle's engine without the physical presence of your vehicle's key. The benefits of a remote starter are all about comfort and convenience. On cold winter mornings, a remote starter will warm the inside of your vehicle, defrost the windows, or melt any ice or snow on the roof. In order to do this, a remote start module or system has to be installed in your vehicle. This particular system, the CM7200 from Compustar, uses a proprietary technology called clone to mimic your vehicle's key signal to remotely start your engine. Now, this system can be programmed to keep your vehicle running for 15, 30, or 45 minutes. Now, Compustar systems can be customized to activate certain features, such as heated seats or rear defrost. One important note, even though your engine is running, it can't be driven without the actual key. So if someone gains access to your car without the key, the engine will shut off as soon as they touch the foot brake. So having a Compustar remote start system is not only convenient, but it's much safer than starting your car and leaving it with the key inside. To learn about the best options for your vehicle, visit a Compustar authorized retailer. To find one near you, visit Compustar.com. We're going to talk about the best remote starter. To find the best remote starter to suit your needs, you'll need to answer 3 questions. What kind of car do you drive? Remote start brands like Compustar cover over 90% of vehicles on the road. But to find one that's compatible with your vehicle, you'll want to check with your authorized retailer. How much range do you need? You'll need to figure out from how far away you'd like to start your car. And do you need two-way? If you can't see your car, do you want a confirmation that the engine actually started? If you're simply looking for the best, we recommend the Pro T11 from Compustar. The Pro T11 is waterproof, has up to 3 miles of range, and an LCD so that when you start your car, you receive confirmation. Plus, it's USB rechargeable, so you don't need to worry about batteries. Again, the best remote starter is the one that fits your needs. To learn more and find an authorized retailer, visit Compustar.com. Smartphone remote starters work just like a normal remote starter, but instead of using a remote fob, you're using your iPhone or Android phone. The key benefit to a smartphone remote starter is the range. With solutions like Drone Mobile, you can now start your car and unlock your car doors from very far away, which is great when you're at the mall or the stadium or at the airport. And the best part is that once you already have a Compustar system installed in your vehicle, all you need to do is install the antenna and use the app. Additionally, Drone Mobile will add extra features like GPS tracking, alarm alerts, and maintenance reminders. It's a great way to stay connected to your car. To learn more, download the app and discover what Drone Mobile can do for you.